protect my peace like gold now. Anything that drains me, I let go now. I choose love, choose ease, choose quiet nights when my mind can't breathe. You kiss me like I'm something sacred. You talk to me like I'm your favorite. In your arms I feel so safe, like the world finally slowed its pace. I let the sunlight touch my skin. I let my softness bloom again. And boy, when you hold me close, I feel a peace I never